Hey, yeah, just going to do a quick run through of these different things that I usually talk about. So this one here is a stretchy wrap, and the idea with this one is that you put it on, and you can put it on first thing in the morning if you like. You can wear it all day. You can pop the baby in, take the baby out, and it has 3 layers. So the first 2 layers kind of go in a crisscross way. All of them kind of catch under the knee, all 3 layers, and it brings the knee up higher than the bum. So you're looking for that M shape. And then the top layer is just a nice, kind of that extra bit. You can fold out the shoulder flip. So you can fold that out if you feel like maybe it's a bit too close into the baby's face. So that brings it out. So the few things that you're looking for here is the hands are up at the face. Hands are the baby's best friend, so the baby always has access to gnaw at their wee hands. The airways are clear, so the chin is off the chest, nice and straight and smooth on the back, so there's no bumps here on the spine. The knees are up higher than the hips, and the wee feet are out at the bottom. Okay, next one here I have is the ring sling. So it's a woven material. The stretchy wrap needed the 3 layers because of the nature of the wrap itself. It would get loose, so you need the 3 there to keep the baby secure. This is a woven wrap, so you only need the 1 layer to keep the baby secure. And what I like about this one is, I mean, your hands are free, the baby's snug, my posture is good, I can stand straight, I don't have to have the baby, like my hip out to protect the baby, to support the baby. I can have my hands free, the baby's secure. If I need to move the baby to my back, say I am cooking, I would, now I have rolled this tail up to keep it nice and neat, but I could loosen it just a smidge and then over onto my hip, Make sure the baby's hands are at the face, nice and smooth on the spine, it's not bumpy. If it is, pull down that material. Knees are up higher than the bum. And what I'm going to do now is do, this actually position is really good for, say, around 3-4 months when they start to get really nosy and they want to look around. Again, I can stand up straight whenever the baby's on my hip. I'm going to move the baby to my back, so I'm going to do a front stroke. And I'm going to pull this material as well, and I'm just going to do a scoot. So now the baby is on my back, and I want to make sure he's nice and straight. So that means I'm freed up now to move. Maybe I want to use boiling water and move the dinner around, chop up some onions or vegetables. When I've done that, wash my hands, I can bring the baby around again. Scoot, backstroke, scoot, and back around to the front, and you'll get nice big happy smiles then when they're back around. Okay, this next one is a long woven wrap. I like this whenever I was learning how to use a woven wrap, and the reason I liked it was because it was longer, so it meant it wrapped around myself and my baby 3 times. So, woo, nearly dropped you. So it wrapped around the baby once here, and then twice more this way and over the other side too. And I like that to go behind the knee. So again, the knees are up higher than the bum. The bum is sinking down into material, and that material is supporting them all across their back as well. So it's not just holding them up, it's supporting them, it's providing support there and keeping them in nice and close to you. So again, their hands are up at their face, their chin is off the chest, usually they'll snuggle into you. Nice and smooth on the spine, on the back, and knees are up higher than the bum, and the wee feet are out, peeking out here. This is supporting me really nicely. I wonder if I can get that mirror in the back so you can see across both shoulders. So it's not just the shoulders taking the weight of the baby, it's also getting dispersed all across my back with the 2 cross passes here. And then it is tied here. So you can tie it here, or you can tie it at your hip. And that way, if you tie it at your hip, it means that it's out of your way if you go to sit down somewhere. Where's the baby? Yay, this is me having fun with a shorter wrap with the baby on my back. Yes, now I can do my shopping, get on with my day.